Hello, good day. Once again, you're welcome back. Now, let's take a look at this question. If 2 times 4 raised power y plus 6 raised power y is equals to 9 raised power y, and y is equals to log x to base 2 third, find the numerical value of x. So, we need to find the value of x that satisfies uh, the equation. Okay. Now, first thing we need to do here, we need to find an expression for x. Then, from the definition of logarithm, x is simply 2 over 3 raised to the power of y. Okay, from logarithm, the logarithm of any number is the power to which the base uh, must be raised to give this number. So, s is the logarithm we are looking for. So for us to obtain S, it means that the base, which is 2 third, we must raise this to the power of y. So here S is equal to 2 third raised to power y. Okay, now for us to find an expression that can accommodate 2 third, all we need to do is to look at this expression carefully, and this can be done if we have um, uh, 2 over 3. To obtain 2 over 3 here, we must divide 2 by 9 raised to power y. Okay, so we divide 2 by 9 raised to power y. So this becomes 2 times 4 raised to power y divide 9 raised to power y plus 6 raised to power y divide 9 raised to power y is equals to 9 raised to power y divide 9 raised to the power of y. So that this expression here, okay, similarly, this expression 6 raised to power y over 9 raised to power y can also be expressed as like 6 is 2 times 3 or 3 times 2, while 9 is 3 times 3. Remember, from the law of indices, this power here has to affect everything within this the bracket here. Okay, within this. So this one means 3 raised to power y times 2 raised to power y, which is the same thing as 6 raised to power y. So 9 raised to power y is the same thing as 3 raised to power y times 3 raised to power y. Okay, so that's all it means there. Okay, here, if that is done, 3 raised to power y is off with 3 raised to power y, and we are left with 2 raised to power y over 3 raised to power y, which can also be expressed as 2 or third or raised to power y. Okay, so we are able to simplify 6 raised to power y over 9 raised to power y as 2 over 3 raised to power y. Now let's look at 2 times 4 raised to power y uh, over 9 raised to power y. So this can also be expressed as 2. 4 raised to power y can also be expressed as 2 raised to power 2 y. Similarly, 9 raised to power y can also be expressed as 3 squared, so which is 3 raised to power 3 y. So now what do we need to do here? We bring out the 2 here, which is common to both power at the denominator and numerator of 9 and 4 respectively. Okay, this become 2 over 3 all raised to power y. Okay, you know, we said it's 2y for each of them. Let's factor out the 2. This become 2 open bracket 2 over 3 close bracket raised to power y times 2. Okay, so this is the whole expression now become this. Okay, is equals to 1 on the right hand side. So here, since we have already know that s is equals to this expression here, the whole of this expression, this become, if we substitute it here, this become 2 s squared plus x is equals to 1. So here we'll be able to reduce our expression to a more simplified form. So we need to look at this question. This is a typical quadratic equation. All we need to do is to find an appropriate method of resolving this. Here we make use of factorization method by first of all looking at the term containing the square. We multiply it by the constant term, and this give us minus 2 s squared. So now all we need to do, we need to look for all the available factors of minus 2s squared. The third, if we add them together or subtract them, they should be able to give us the term containing x here. Okay, so here all the factors of minus 2x squared are just minus s times 2x. It will give us minus 2x squared. So here, if we want to obtain x here, it simply means we're going to say 2x minus s, that gives us s. So we replace this middle term here with 2x minus s. Since 2x times minus s give us minus 2s squared, so this is the appropriate expression to replace the middle term. Okay, so we replace s with 2s minus s in the in 2 s squared plus x minus x, so that the expression becomes 2s squared plus 2s minus s minus 1 equals to 0. And here, if we group them, this become 2s squared plus 2s close bracket open bracket minus uh, open bracket x minus 1 close bracket equals to 0. If we factorize this become 2s minus 1 into x plus 1 is equals to 0. So either s plus 1 is equals to 0 or 2s minus 1 is equals to 0. Now, since we are looking for x that will satisfy this equation, it is 2x minus 1 equals to 0. And if we do this, s is equals to half. This satisfies the equation. Here, the negative one here is not will not satisfy the equation. So we pick x is equals to half as the solution to the equation. So place this out to resolve this equation. And if you like this video, please help me subscribe and also share on your social media platforms. See you in my next virtual class.